Seeking knowledge on how to choose the right Forex broker? You've landed on the right video. In the vast ocean of Forex trading, brokers are your trusty navigators, guiding you towards profitable shores. But not all brokers are created equal. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of selecting the right Forex broker, a decision that can significantly impact your trading success. We'll delve into the core aspects to consider, from regulation to trading platforms, fees, and customer support. We'll also compare 5 top-tier brokers to give you a comprehensive understanding of what the market offers. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to make an informed choice that aligns with your trading goals and risk appetite. But before we get started, if you want to master the art of trading and make informed decisions that could potentially transform your financial future, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Number 1. Regulation and security. When selecting a Forex broker, the first and most important factor to examine is their regulation and security procedures. Because the currency market is decentralized, it is vulnerable to fraudulent activity. To avoid potential scams, it is critical to select a broker who is regulated by a respected financial institution. Brokers must follow tight laws and regulations, which are enforced by regulatory authorities such as the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the United Kingdom, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, in Australia, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the United States. These rules ensure that the broker keeps client accounts separate, follows anti-money laundering measures, and provides a fair trading environment. Number 2. Trading platform and tools. Another critical thing to consider is the trading platform provided by the broker. The platform should be simple to use, dependable, and provide a wide selection of tools and features to enhance your trading experience. Look for a platform that offers real-time market data, excellent charting, and a wide range of order types. Consider the availability of mobile trading platforms as well. The ability to trade on the go is critical in today's fast-paced society. A mobile trading app allows you to keep track of your trades, execute orders, and receive market news and analysis from any location and at any time. Number 3. Trading costs and spreads. Trading expenses can have a big impact on your profitability as a Forex trader. When comparing brokers, consider their cost structure. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask price that is charged by most brokers. Reduced spreads imply reduced transaction costs. However, be aware of brokers who provide very low spreads, as this could indicate poor execution or hidden fees. Consider other expenditures as well, such as commissions, overnight fees, and withdrawal fees. Some brokers provide commission-free trading in exchange for greater spreads. Before making a selection, be sure you understand the entire fee structure. Number 4. Customer support. Forex trading can be difficult, especially for newcomers. As a result, it is critical to select a broker that provides outstanding client service. Look for brokers who offer numerous assistance methods, such as phone, email, and a live chat. Number 5. Account types and minimum deposit. Different brokers provide different types of trading accounts to meet different trading demands and expertise levels. Standard accounts, micro accounts, and managed accounts are all common sorts of accounts. Standard accounts often have a higher minimum deposit requirement but provide additional features and advantages. Mini accounts, on the other hand, have a lower minimum deposit and are better suited to newcomers. Number 6. Educational resources. Forex trading is a never-ending learning experience. As a result, it is advantageous to select a broker who provides a wide choice of educational resources. Trading instructions, webinars, video lessons, market research, and economic calendars are examples of these resources. A broker who invests in teaching its clients shows a dedication to their success. Use these resources to improve your trading knowledge and skills. If you're enjoying this video so far, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to continue learning more about the world of Forex. Drop a comment below too if you have any questions regarding this video or anything else Forex related, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now that we've reviewed the fundamentals, let's compare 5 of the leading brokers in the industry to give you a clearer idea of what's available. Remember that the best broker for you is determined by your unique demands and trading style. IG. IG is one of the world's most well-known Forex brokers, offering a diverse selection of trading instruments such as FX, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. With over 40 years of experience, IG offers an easy-to-use trading platform, advanced charting tools, and competitive spreads. They also provide instructional resources and attentive client service. Forex.com. Forex.com claims to be the #1 U.S. broker for Forex trading in terms of client assets and has been serving U.S. Forex traders since 2001. Although the company is owned by StoneX Group, Incorporated, it is a Forex-specific platform. Forex.com provides an online trading platform with integrated tools, market analysis, comprehensive charting features, and account management that is simple to use. The mobile trading platform allows you to trade from any location and supports different order types as well as real-time alerts. Forex.com also provides MT4 applications. Over 80 currency pairs are available on Forex.com. Customers can select one of 3 account kinds. Spread pricing is used in the regular account, and MetaTrader is an option. The commission account, as the name suggests, provides commission-based trades. High-volume traders should use the STP Pro account. There is no MetaTrader option on commission or STP Pro accounts. The Forex.com Active Trader program provides cash rebates of up to 15%, up to $10 per million traded. You can also get up to 1% interest on your average daily available margin balance. Active traders also get support from a dedicated market strategist, no wire transfer fees, and more. XM. XM is noted for its customer-centric approach and provides a variety of trading accounts to fit various trading styles. They offer an easy-to-use platform, cheap spreads, and a variety of instructional tools such as webinars and seminars. Furthermore, XM provides a variety of deposit and withdrawal alternatives, making it convenient for traders all around the world. Ali Invest. Ali Invest provides 3 Forex trading platforms. The powerful desktop platform has a user-friendly interface, charting functionality with over 80 technical indicators, and order management tools. With real-time quotes and quick position, margin, and account balances, the web trading platform is accessible from anywhere. The mobile software allows for simple trade entry and includes complex order kinds, charting tools, and real-time news. Oanda. Oanda is a currency trading platform that specializes solely in Forex. The trading platform is available on desktop, online, and mobile devices. The web platform includes powerful technical analysis and analytics tools. The desktop application is completely customizable and features one-click trading. The mobile app is also customizable, with charting options as well as real-time news and commentary. To automate your methods and get expert assistance, you can use the MetaTrader 4 platform. Oanda provides more than 70 currency pairs. Margin rates range from 4 to 1 to 50 to 1 depending on the pair. Oanda provides new users with a $500 welcome bonus when they open an account and deposit at least $500, or up to $5,000 when they deposit at least $50,000. As you can see, each broker has its strengths and weaknesses. Take your time to evaluate which one aligns with your priorities and trading goals. Before we wrap up, remember, the key to successful trading is making informed decisions. Don't rush this process and always prioritize your long-term success over short-term gains. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. And hey, to continue your Forex learning journey, check out our previous video. The link is right here on the screen. Until next time, happy trading.